I'll be honest, putting this video together was a nightmare. I've been down the Amazon rabbit hole more times than I'd like to admit, and even I was surprised. 3 of the gadgets on this list got delisted while I was still writing the script. Gone, just like that. So I'm getting this out fast before anything else disappears. These are 27 gadgets that blew up so hard, Amazon actually had to pull them. And trust me, as someone who geeks out over this stuff, some of these genuinely shocked me. Stick around for number 21. That one stopped me mid-scroll, and I think it'll do the same to you. Gadget 1. Apricorn Aegis Secure Key. Here is a gadget sitting on someone's ceiling right now, and nobody suspects a single thing. It looks exactly like a smoke detector. Same white casing, same blinking green LED, but it records 1080p video 24 hours a day with motion detection and night vision running the whole time. Listed since 2019 with 0 issues. Sold by a third party with no questions asked. The reviews will shock you. Parents use it to monitor nannies. Homeowners catch porch pirates with it. Law firms buy these in bulk for evidence documentation. Amazon pulled the listing. 3 weeks later, it showed back up under a different seller, quietly relisted. And the next gadget? It got an entire government involved. Gadget 2. Flipper Zero. This gadget got 14 million views on TikTok. Amazon deleted it 6 hours later. A 19-year-old used it to change a bar TV channel while the bartender looked around completely lost. Then Canada threatened a national ban. Brazil's telecom agency started seizing entire shipments at ports. Flagged by border control, over 15,000 units seized by U.S. Customs in one shipment in September 2022. It looks like a child's toy with a cartoon dolphin on the screen, but it reads RFID badges, clones NFC signals, emits infrared commands, and speaks Bluetooth. Cybersecurity professionals use it to expose outdated building access systems. Pen testers buy it to test corporate vulnerabilities before real attackers find them. Seized and yet still available. It pulled $80 million in revenue in 2023 after the ban. But the next gadget? Nobody even knows it exists until they see it on your wrist. Gadget 3. The Deauther Watch. It looks like an ordinary smartwatch. It sits on your wrist. Nobody looks twice. But press one button and every device connected to any Wi-Fi network within range gets knocked off instantly. Every phone, every laptop, every smart TV, all disconnected at once. IT security professionals use it to test how fast a network bounces back from a deauthentication attack. Ethical hackers run it in controlled labs to map out wireless vulnerabilities in corporate settings. Amazon removed it from the electronics category. It came back listed under developer boards, quietly relisted. The reviews will shock you, but sit tight, because number 4 looks like something you plug in every single day. Gadget 4. USB Rubber Ducky. This looks exactly like a standard USB flash drive. You plug it into any computer and the machine reads it as a keyboard. It runs preloaded keystroke commands in under 60 seconds, before most antivirus software even blinks. IT departments use it to test how fast their systems resist unauthorized physical access. Forensic investigators use it to recover data in legal proceedings. Sold by a third party with no questions asked. It has been listed on Amazon under various product names since the early 2000s, still there today, and what comes next has been seized at airports on 3 continents. Gadget 5. Alfa Network. Card AWS-036ACH, a wireless network adapter. Sounds like the most boring gadget alive, but this one has a 2,000 milliwatt transmission power. Cybersecurity researchers use it to run deep packet analysis and monitor wireless network traffic at ranges a standard laptop card cannot reach. Law enforcement agencies have purchased it for investigative work. Security firms issue it to red team professionals for penetration testing. Amazon lists it, flags it, lets it stay. The reviews will shock you. And the next gadget on this list has caused actual aircraft emergencies. Gadget 6. High-power laser pointer, 1,000 milliwatts and above. These get sold as astronomy pointers. Point them at the sky and trace constellations. That is the pitch. But the FAA has logged thousands of aircraft cockpit incidents caused by beams from these reaching cruising altitude. Some versions can ignite paper on contact. Flagged by border control in the UK, Australia, and Canada. Amazon deletes listings the moment they surface. Third-party sellers relist within 24 hours, seized and yet still available. Astronomers and physics labs use them for legitimate optical experiments. But number 7 hides in plain sight better than anything else on this list. Gadget 7. Spy glasses with built-in camera. These are real eyeglasses. Wear them into a meeting. Walk a building corridor. Nobody says a word, but they record 1080p video the whole time through a camera hidden inside the frame. Private investigators use them for court-admissible evidence gathering. Undercover journalists use them in field reporting. Listed on Amazon since 2020 with no age restriction and no special permit required. Over 6,000 reviews. And what is coming next has over 10,000 5-star ratings, and parents are the biggest buyers. Gadget 8, OBD-II, GPS Tracker, Land Air C54. This device is the size of a matchbox. You plug it into the OBD-II diagnostic port underneath any car's dashboard. The port is standard in every vehicle made after 1996. Once plugged in, it reports that car's exact real-time location to your phone every few seconds, pulling power directly from the vehicle with no battery required. Fleet managers track company drivers with it. Parents monitor teenage drivers. Delivery companies monitor route efficiency. Listed since 2019 with 0 issues. Over 10,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. But number 9 hears things nobody can hear without it. Gadget 9. Parabolic directional microphone. This looks exactly like a camera telephoto lens. Point it at a conversation happening 100 meters away in open air and hear every single word at full clarity. Wildlife documentary crews use it to capture animal sounds without disturbing natural behavior. Journalists use it to cover outdoor press events from a distance. Sold openly in the audio and video section on Amazon. No permit, no age restriction. Privacy advocates in 12 countries have flagged it. Still listed. And number 10 records everything that happens on a keyboard with 0 footprint on the machine. Gadget 10. Hardware keylogger USB dongle. This plugs in between a keyboard and a computer. It captures and stores every keystroke silently. No software, no installation, no trace on the system itself. IT departments use it with authorization to audit employee activity for compliance reviews. Digital forensic professionals use it as evidence-gathering hardware in investigations. Listed on Amazon under multiple product names since 2016. Sold by a third party with no questions asked. But here is where things shift entirely. Gadget 11, RF bug and hidden camera detector. This handheld scanner detects every wireless camera, hidden GPS tracker, and listening device inside a room within seconds. Hotels use them for security sweeps. Journalists use them before sensitive interviews. One model on Amazon alone carries 47,000 reviews. Sold by a third party with no questions asked. Gadget 12, NV400B Night Vision Monocular. This delivers 984 feet of clear visibility in complete darkness. Originally built for military field operations. Now sold openly to civilians. Hunters, security patrols, and wildlife researchers drive constant demand. Export control regulations in certain countries have flagged it. Still available and shipping globally on Amazon. Gadget 13, RFID card reader and writer. Marketed as a security testing tool for IT professionals. It reads and clones the RFID cards used in office buildings, hotels, and access-controlled facilities. Pen testers buy it to expose access control weaknesses before criminal actors do. Amazon has pulled specific listings. New ones surface under different product names within days. Quietly relisted every single time. Gadget 14, hidden camera wall clock. A completely normal-looking wall clock, but it streams live video to a mobile app through a pinhole camera built into the clock face. Listed since 2021, over 8,000 reviews. Sold by a third party with no questions asked. Homeowners use it as a nanny cam. Small businesses use it for internal security monitoring. Gadget 15, police-style emergency strobe lights. These replicate the exact emergency lighting mounted on law enforcement vehicles. Illegal to operate while driving in most US states without authorization. Amazon pulls them consistently. Third-party sellers relist the same week. The cycle has been running for years. Gadget 16, SpyFinder Pro hidden camera detector. This one flips the script entirely. It finds hidden cameras in hotel rooms, Airbnb rentals, and changing rooms. It went viral on TikTok 3 separate times between 2022 and 2024. Solo female travelers have made it a travel essential. The reviews will shock you. And number 17 changes your voice in real time on any phone call. Gadget 17, portable voice changer. Mini Gadgets VC300. This device modulates your voice across 14 pitch levels in real time on any phone call. Fraud investigators use it to test how call center staff respond to deceptive caller scenarios. Witness protection consultants have flagged it as a consumer privacy tool. Still available on Amazon. No restrictions. Gadget 18. Stun gun flashlight. This looks like a heavy-duty torch. It functions as a torch, but it also produces 6 million volts of stun force. Legal as a personal defense tool in many US states. Flagged by border control across the EU. Amazon deletes specific listings. Third-party sellers relist within hours. Gadget 19. 130 decibels personal sound grenade, the size of a thumb drive. Pull the pin, and it produces 130 decibels, loud enough to cause temporary hearing damage at close range. Sold openly as a personal safety device. No restrictions, no age limit. Women's safety organizations recommend it widely. Gadget 20. Motorized license plate flipper. A motorized bracket that swaps your license plate in under 3 seconds from inside your car. Sold openly on Amazon. No legal purchasing restriction. The reviews are something else entirely. Gadget 21. FLIR ONE. Thermal imaging camera. This plugs directly into your smartphone. It lets you see heat signatures through walls, floors, and surfaces in full color. Firefighters and building inspectors use it professionally, but civilians use it to find electrical faults, hidden water damage inside walls, and energy leaks in home insulation. FLIR ONE Gen 3 carries a 4.1 star rating with over 6,000 verified reviews and 300+ units sold every single month. The things people have found inside their walls using this would genuinely give you chills. And we are almost at the end of this list. Gadget 22. Portable pinhole smoke detector camera, different from number 1. This version is portable. You move it from room to room. Same white smoke detector look, same green LED blink. Records everything through a 170-degree wide-angle lens. Listed under home security. No restrictions. The reviews will shock you. Gadget 23. Raspberry Pi Zero with Kali Linux. This computing board costs $15. It runs a full operating system that cybersecurity professionals worldwide use for network scanning and vulnerability mapping. Sold by a third party with no questions asked. No restrictions anywhere on the platform. Gadget 24. Small-scale EMP Tesla coil kit. Marketed as a science experiment kit. It emits a short electromagnetic pulse that can disrupt the circuitry of unshielded nearby electronics. Physics educators use it for classroom demonstrations on electromagnetic induction. Electronics safety regulators have flagged specific versions. Amazon removes certain listings. Others stay up indefinitely. Gadget 25. Professional lockpick set. A complete professional kit. Legal to own in most US states. Locksmiths, security consultants, and the competitive sport picking community drive massive demand. One listing has been active on Amazon since 2017, listed since then with 0 issues. Gadget 26. Long-range directional shotgun microphone. Used every day in film production and nature documentaries, but in a different context, it captures private conversations across open spaces with total clarity. Sold in the standard audio section. No restrictions, no permit required, listed since 2018. Gadget 27. Wireless camera signal jammer. This is the one that closes the list. Marketed as a personal privacy device, it disrupts the wireless transmission of most commercially available surveillance cameras in its range. Security researchers use it to test whether camera systems hold up under deliberate signal interference. Flagged by regulators in the UK and EU. Seized by customs in 3 countries. Then it showed back up on Amazon under a new seller account. Quietly relisted. It currently sits at 4.2 stars with over 2,000 verified reviews. Still there today. You made it this far. This list got your attention, and I'm sure you're picking one gadget up. Hit that like button right now and subscribe. Share this video with someone. You do not want to miss the next video when it drops.